Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place that told you what to chase. Told you how to run.
So this is April's update on Harbour City Shopping Centre, which will be one of the most modern shopping centres in Western Jamaica. As you can see, it's a massive construction taking place on the Howard Cook Boulevard, sandwiched by Harmony Beach Park and Sagicor Complex. And right in front of it, we have Bay West Shopping Centre. That's right across the street. So quite a few people have been saying that we need more skyscrapers in Montego Bay, and especially on the coastline, and that this project should have been, I guess, bigger. Do you guys agree? Probably shouldn't be so close. Massive building, as you can see. I've been tracking the progress of this massive construction since last year, and you can have a look at how it has been progressing since then in this playlist that I created specifically for the new shopping center. So after finishing this video, you can just head on over to that playlist and just have a look at how it has been progressing. The construction process has been moving very quickly. As mentioned previously, it will be a wonderful addition to Montego Bay's coastline once completed. Now, what do you feel about this construction, guys? I know that quite a few of you have been tracking the progress with me, have been watching all of my videos. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about the project in the comment section, and then move on over, guys, to the playlist. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy these types of videos.
Grew up in a place
See you in the next one.
where they told you what to chase. Told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave.